So we're about to do some next kind of
next level shit.
You know, and it's a Tilford thing, and this is the first time we're doing it. Some timber walk.
Timber walk shit.
You know, shit. And look at how many trees there are around there. There's sand. Look, sand. What's going on? Are we near a beach?
Sand.
Take out my beach towel right now.
Shit.
There's a shelter here for us, just in case shit hits the fan, if we get ourselves lost. So you gotta cross over this bridge with all this wet mud. So, jump, jump, go Joe, don't stop, go! Quick! Crap. Just use the wood, use the wood! Proper on the edge! Oh man. Fuck it, just go. She says Little House on the Prairie. I say Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
I'm being positive.
You sure?
Positivity always helps.
Bro, we're going on some scary shit. Can you hear that? Fuck all. We've come across a bit of a hurdle. We're being chased by a rubbish truck, so we gotta keep on walking back this way. Done. And look who's behind us. See that? They're following us like a fucking stalker.
This is public right away.
Oh mate, they're gonna run us over in a minute. Finally seeing sheep. Bah. They're actually following Joe. Proper following her. So I didn't realise there were going to be cows. Okay, Joe, they're coming towards here. Joe, they're coming for you. Kissing Gate, yeah. So methinks we've walked the wrong way and they've been waiting for us patiently. So Joe, we're going to have to walk really fast through this. Joe, what are we doing? Allah, Allah, Allah. Dude. Oh dude, they're not even following us.
Oh,
proper woodlands.
Wow. This is like Twilight shit. Hey, there's a pond.
There's a big ass pond.
This is Frensham Pond.
I'm actually on a beach. Sand. Water. Literally the only people here. Nothing. No one can hear you scream. Yep. This view though, but there's somebody in there. I hear people. Oh, so much sand. Oh my days. According to Joe, baby Christmas trees everywhere.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Aiming for the bench just there. So close to see the view. Okay, so let's turn around down.
Oh shit.
Oh wow.
Okay, the view in this one's not fantastic.
Oh. But down there, I think is the.
Imagine climbing down that shit.
There's the pond. Finally made it. Oh geez. To the starting point. How long has this walk been? Almost 6 hours. Oh my goodness. True. I'm so done with this. Yay, finished.